Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my team. My name is Desi Fitria, and my friend is Karisma Septiani and Dimas Bagus Renaldi. Today, I will explain about analysis of public sentiments toward Gibran Rekabuming as 2024 Vice Presidential Candidate using Support Vector Machine or CVM and Left Bias Method. Next. The 2024 general election in Indonesia is a crucial moment full of political dynamic. One figure who has emerged is Gibran Rekabuming Raka, son of President Joko Widodo and Mayor of Surakarta. Gibran's popularity built through his achievement as a regional leader, put him in the spotlight as a vice presidential candidate. Although many support him, there are also those who doubt his capacity at the national level. In the digital era, public opinion is greatly influenced by social media, with Twitter as one of the main platforms. Sentiment analysis of the tweet about Gibran can provide valuable insight into public view. This research used the support vector machine or CVM and net bias method to classify public sentiment from 1,507 tweets into positive, negative, or neutral. The aim is to compare the accuracy of the two methods in understanding public sentiment, providing in-depth insight that can be used by campaign teams and political observers in mapping strategy for the 2024 election. Next, objective. 1. Analyzing public sentiment toward Gibran Rekabuming Raka as the 2024 vice presidential candidate using data from 1,507 tweets on Twitter. 2. Comparing the level of accuracy of two machine learning methods, namely support vector machine or CVM and net bias in the classifying public sentiment into positive, negative, or neutral. 3. Provide a deeper understanding of the public view of Gibran Rekabuming in the context of the 2024 presidential election. Next. Benefit. 1. For campaign teams and political parties. Providing valuable information regarding public perception and sentiment toward Gibran, which can be used to develop more effective and target campaign strategy. 2. For political observers and academic. Our insight into the dynamic of public sentiment in the political context of the digital era, as well as enriching literature related to sentiment analysis using machine learning method. 3. For the general public, providing a clear picture of how their leadership candidates are perceived by the wider public so that it can help in the decision-making process during election. 4. Technology development. Contribute knowledge about the effectiveness of net bias and CVM method in sentiment analysis, which can be applied to other studies in the future. Next. Research method. 1. Support vector machine or CVM. Used to understand patterns and make decisions based on exciting data, allowing us to identify public sentiment, whether positive, negative, or neutral. 2. Net bias. Known for its capability in text classification and sentiment analysis, which are very useful in processing public opinion data from various sources. Next.
This research has several steps, namely data collection, cleaning data, scaffolding, tokenizing, software, cleaning, data labeling, feature extraction, smooth, classifikasi model, support vector machine, net bias, classifier, optimasi data imbalance, evaluasi. Data analyst. To analyze public sentiment for Gibran Raka Buming Raka, the data was classified into three main categories. Number one, positive sentiment that show support or positive view of Gibran. Number two, negative sentiment that show criticism or negative view towards Gibran. Number three, neutral sentiment that are neutral or do not show a clear positive or negative tendency. Result and decision. Dataset. This dataset is a collection of with data taken from those user platform with a total amount of data of 1,507 tweets in the data before the removal of top word. The word with the high frequency in the dataset of tweets on the Gibran topic include Gibran, tweet, Prabowo, Yang, and Not. After removing stop word, the most frequently occurring words remain the same, such as Gibran tweet Prabowo, Jokowi, and Dedi Nurpalaka. This shows that these words have high relevance in the context of sentiment analysis on the Gibran topic in your tweet dataset. Word frequency before removing stop word. Word frequency after removing stop word.
Result and discussion. The bar chart in table 3 divides the distribution of the number of positive, negative, and neutral labels in the dataset after the sentiment analysis process. The number of neutral labels appears to be the highest, followed by the number of negative labels, and the number of positive labels is the lowest. This shows that the majority of sentiment in the dataset tends to be neutral. Next. Visualisasi word cloud. Word cloud visualization is a technique used to graphically visualize the frequency of words in text. In the process, each word in the text is measured for frequency, and the relative size of each word is displayed in a proportional form in a word cloud. The size of the words indicates how often the words appears in the text. Pixel words that occur more frequently will appear large in the word cloud, so that with a glance, readers can see the most common or important words in the text. Next. Accuracy testing stage. After going through the data cleaning and normalization process, the next stage is to test the classification accuracy using the support vector machine or SVM and net bias methods. These two methods are applied to the prepared data to find out which method produces the best classification performance. In this test, the data is divided into 70% for training and 30% for testing. The test results show that SVM produces better classification accuracy with a value 73%, while net bias achieved an accuracy of 67%. This shows that SVM more effective in classifying data compared to net bias. Next. This is accuracy testing stage. Next. Okay, conclusion.
Based on an analysis of public sentiment towards Gibran Rakabuming as the 2024 vice presidential candidate using the support vector machine or SVM and net bias methods. It was found that SVM was able to provide better classification accuracy than net bias. The test results show that SVM achieves an accuracy 73%, while net bias achievement and accuracy 67%. This shows that SVM is more effective in classification public sentiment data towards Gibran. In addition, through word code visualization, words that often appear in the context of sentiment analysis towards Gibran include Gibran, tweet, Prabowo, and Jokowi, which reflect the focus and discussion on social media.